Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying the basic prerequisites so that nothing blocks the repair. Check your Quest 2 firmware and the CX File Explorer version. A mismatch often causes failures. Once done, enable developer mode in the Oculus app and connect the headset to your PC with a USB-C cable. Make sure ADB drivers are installed on the computer and that CX File Explorer APK is present. If not, download the matching APK now so you can sideload without interruptions. Now you move into the core fix, sideloading and permissions. Open a terminal, run a DB devices to confirm the headset is recognized, then execute a DB install RCX app to replace or install the app. Next, inside the Quest 2 settings, go to Apps, open CX File Explorer, and manually grant storage and file access permissions so the app can read headset storage. Then clear the app cache and, if necessary, clear data to reset corrupted settings, and set the default storage path to internal or SD. Finish by restarting the headset to apply permission and app changes, then open CX File Explorer and try copying, moving, and opening files to confirm functionality. If problems continue, reinstall a different stable CX build or roll back to the previous version using a DB install R with the older APK. Make sure to collect logs using a DB Logcat CX logs. TXT before contacting support. Logs provide actionable error messages. One troubleshooting tip: if access errors persist,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.